In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Yahoo Mail. First, let's start by opening Yahoo Mail. You can do this by launching your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, type in the web address for Yahoo Mail. That's yahoo.com/mail. After hitting enter, you will see the Yahoo Mail interface. This is where all your emails are stored and managed. If you are not already signed in, you will need to do so. Remember, being logged in is crucial for accessing your emails securely. If you are already signed in, you will see your inbox filled with messages. This is important because it means you are ready to proceed with logging out safely. Next, make sure you are signed in. Look for your profile name or profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This is an essential step as it confirms your login status. If you see your name or picture, it indicates that you are indeed logged in. This visual cue is reassuring because it ensures your account details are secure and accessible. If you are not signed in, you may need to enter your login credentials to access your inbox first. Now, click on your profile name or profile picture in the top right corner. Doing this opens a small menu. This menu contains several options related to your account, such as settings and account information. It is important to locate this menu as it is where the sign out option resides. Clicking here allows you to manage your account settings conveniently. This step is straightforward and helps streamline the logout process, ensuring you can exit efficiently. From there, click on Sign Out. This option is usually found at the bottom of the small menu that appears. When you click this, you are indicating that you want to log out of your Yahoo Mail account. This action is crucial for maintaining the security of your account, especially if you are using a shared or public computer. After clicking Sign Out, you will see a brief loading animation which confirms that the logout process is underway. This gives you a sense of assurance that the action is being processed. After that, you will be returned to the Yahoo sign-in page. This page confirms that you have successfully logged out of your account. At this point, you can see the login fields where you can enter your credentials if you wish to log back in. This step is essential because it assures you that your session has ended and no one else can access your emails without credentials. You can take a moment to ensure everything is in order before leaving the site. It's always good practice to log out of your email account when you are done using it. By following these steps, you ensure that your personal information remains protected. Logging out is a simple task that makes a significant difference in keeping your data secure. Now that you know how to log out of Yahoo Mail, you can use this knowledge confidently. Remember, taking these small but important steps can help you avoid issues related to account security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.